How to buy Apecoin on Binance website crypto. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy the Apecoin crypto on Binance website in easy fast way. First thing we do, we go to Binance and this is the home page as you can see. Now you have to log into your account or make an account from here. Then go to markets here, click on it and go down and search for Ape. If you didn't find it, you can just search for it here and then you will find it, and here is it. Now click on it and wait a few seconds and it will take you to this page. Now you have to choose the amount of money that you want to invest or the amount of apes that you want to buy. For example 50, and then make sure this option is on buy, not sell, and then you will find the buy now option here if you are registered or log into your account. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.